What is up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to have another product review. This is the SLR camera micro single handheld stabilizer. This one that I bought from Shopee for like less than 500 pesos. It's like a copy of the Roxant Pro camera stabilizer. Of course this is a cheaper version of it, but let us see if this will do the same work. So this stabilizer consists of three parts: the frame, the stabilizing arm or the counterweight, and the grip. It is made of aluminum body, a rubber grip, though some part of it is made of plastic. The professional steady video stabilizer is designed for use with camcorders, DSLR, mobile phones, etc. It provides excellent stability and reduces camera vibration during video recording, assuring high quality clear videos. Its aluminum alloy construction provides a solid and durable build quality for long-lasting reliability. It also features a rubberized non-slip mounting surface so your camera attaches securely, and a rubber covered hand grip for comfortable shooting. It is the most affordable, full-featured stabilizer on the market. Comfortable grip, gimbal-like smooth accurate motion, polished chrome counterweight. Things that we can adjust on this stabilizer: the camera position, the handle position, position and arm, and the counterweight. So if you plan to buy one, you can choose between the two-tone color of black and silver or red and silver. So what I like about this is, of course, this is pretty cheap, less than 500 pesos or less than $10. Sturdy enough, professional look, easy to travel with, you just have to detach the three parts. No batteries, though it is hard to set up and balance everything over and over again if you're gonna hide it. So my advice is, when you hit that balancing point of this stabilizer, just keep it like that, because it's really hard to adjust every single part of it, like the camera position, the handle, the counterweight. So keep it like that. But all in all, this is pretty good. If you don't have enough money to buy a gimbal just like me, this one I could say can do the work.